Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to receive partial shipments in Axanta ERP. Now, in businesses, there might be a situation where you have made a purchase order of a product of X quantities. But at the time of receiving the shipment, the supplier was not able to supply all the quantities that you had ordered. So now in this situation, we shall see how we can receive the partial shipments. So let's start. So first, we'll go to the menu and we'll go to the purchase module. So for this demonstration, we have already created a confirm purchase order with all the necessary details. And as it is a confirm purchase order, here the status is also purchase order. And here one shipment is also been created. So in this purchase order, as you can see that we are ordering 10 pieces of this product and 20 pieces of this product. Now let's assume that when you receive the physical goods, the supplier could only provide 10 pieces of this product, and out of 20 pieces of this product, he could only supply 15 pieces. So in such scenarios, we shall see how to receive this partial shipment. So to receive the shipment, we will click on this receive. And here, as you can see, this shipment is in the ready status. Now in the done quantities, we need to enter the actual quantities that we have received. So as for this product, we have received complete 10 quantities, so here we'll enter 10. And as for this product, out of 20 pieces, we are only receiving 15 pieces, so here we'll enter 15. Then here in the posting date, you need to select the date on which you are receiving the shipment. So let's select this date, and then if you want, you can save this also. Now once you have entered all the details, now we need to click on validate. So we'll click on validate. Then here again we need to cross check the posting date, and if it is correct, then we need to click on yes. Now as soon as we have click on yes, this wizard will be opening. Now as we are receiving less quantities against the original ordered quantities, so that's why the system is giving you a message that you have processed less products than the initial demand. So you want to create a back order or no back order. Now in scenarios where the supplier has agreed to supply the remaining quantities of the products, so in that case you need to click on create back order option. But whereas in situation where the supplier has told that he would not be able to supply the remaining quantities of the product, so in that case you need to select this no back order option. So for this demonstration, we'll select this create back order option and we'll click on create back order option. So as soon as we have selected that create back order option, the status of this shipment has changed to done. And here, if you will go back to the purchase order, 2 shipments has been created. And then here in the received quantities, you can see that for this product you have received 10 pieces, but for this product out of 20 you have received only 15 pieces. And here in the other information tab also, here you can see the receipt status as partially received. So let's click here. Now here, as you can see, 2 shipments have been created. This shipment status is in done, and this second shipment is the shipment that has been created through the back order. So here, as you can see, this back order of this shipment where the status is in ready. So now if we'll open this shipment, here automatically this product the balance quantity will be coming. So now as and when you have received this 5 pieces, so here in the done quantities you can enter 5. You select the posting date as and when you receive the shipment and you validate it. So now click on validate, cross check the posting date and click on yes. And now this shipment status has also changed to done. So now if you will check, both the shipment status is in done. So once we have received both the shipments, now we shall create the vendor bill. So to create the vendor bill, we will go back to this purchase order. So here as you can see, we have this create bill option. So we shall click here, and here a draft bill has been created where the status of this bill is in draft. Then here as you can see, whatever quantities you have received, based on that the vendor bill has been created. So in case if you would have only received 15 pieces and then if you have created the vendor bill, then the vendor bill would have been created of only 15 pieces. So basically whatever quantities you have received, based on that the vendor bill would be created. So now you can enter other details like bill reference, payment reference, recipient bank, bill date, accounting date and so on, and then you can confirm this bill and then you can register the payment. So this is how you can receive partial shipments in Axanta ERP.